सभी बच्चों को मेरी तरफ से ढेर सारा प्यार। आज अपने जन्मदिन के अवसर पर मैं आप सभी को बाल दिवस की शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ। मेरे विचार में बच्चे गुलाब की पंखुड़ियों की तरह कोमल होते हैं। हर समय बच्चे मेरे आसपास नहीं रह सकते। मैं इस कोमलता को हमेशा महसूस करना चाहता हूँ। इसीलिए मैं अपनी शेरवानी में गुलाब का फूल लगाता हूँ। बच्चे देश का भविष्य और उसकी तस्वीर होते हैं। मैं चाहता हूँ कि इस अवसर पर बच्चे अपने अधिकार और शिक्षा के प्रति जागरूक हों, एक मजबूत राष्ट्र का निर्माण करें, अपनी मातृभूमि तथा समाज के कमजोर वर्ग के लिए काम करें। जय हिंद।
Child is the father of man, is rightly said by William Wordsworth. A very happy Children's Day to you all. Indians all over the world on this day, that is November 14th, celebrate it as Children's Day as a tribute to the man who is extremely in love with children and the very first Prime Minister of independent India, Shri Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehru was fondly called as Chacha Nehru because of his abundant love for children and for his belief in their thoughts. To commemorate his thoughts and love and to wish our beautiful children, we, the staff of DPS, have put up a short assembly. To begin with, we have an invocation to the Almighty by Miss Sana Maroof and the translation by Miss K.S.A.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Surah At-Teen. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wat-Teeni waz-Zaytoon. Wa-Turi Sinin. وهذا البلد الأمين لقد خلقنا الإنسان في أحسن تقويم ثم رددناه أسفل سافلين إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات فلهم أجر غير ممنون فما يكذبك بعد بالدين أليس الله بأحكم الحاكمين صدق الله العظيم.
Translation of Surah Teen. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. By the fig and the olive, by Mount Sinai, by this city of security, Makkah. Verily, we created man in the best stature. Then we reduced him to the lowest of the low. Except those who believe and do righteous deed, then they shall have a reward without end. Then what causes you to deny the recompense? Is not Allah the best of judges? Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Sana Maroof and Sayyida Kanis. We now have Miss Cecilia Lobo and Miss Aisha Ahmed to give us a short speech and to share their thoughts on this beautiful occasion.
Respected principal, dear colleagues and my dear children. As we all agree, children are the brightest sunshine of the society, the seed of the plant that will give us sweet fruits and the future. And they are the reason an organization sees families grow, hold on to each other and stay with the positive, innocent truth of growing with models. We can say children are the glitter of the society. A child is like some good music in life. They keep everyone gross with their innocent questions about life, happy the environment and the atmosphere with their cute and adorable activities, and without them a very dull and upset life may occur. As their smile and eyes are always with the hope of something good coming in future. Children's Day is celebrated all over the world to cherish and adore the innocence of the child, to make them feel special for their role in the world and show them the positive of being a child. It is celebrated on various dates all over the world. The date depends on various reasons. Like in India, it is celebrated on 14th November. However, 1st June is celebrated as the International Children's Day, whereas the 20th November as Universal Children's Day. 14th November is the birth anniversary of great Indian freedom fighter and our first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. His birth anniversary is celebrated as Children's Day all over the country because of his immense love and affection for children. He was a change maker, and not only the freedom fight but also in social change. He was a high concern for the future of the nation. It is said that he used to stay a lot with children. He used to play with them, talk to them, and used to spend his free time with children. He was also called Chacha Nehru as he was very sweet and involved with children and used to make them very comfortable in his company. It is said that he was very fond of roses and children all his life. He was concerned for growth of children as he believed they are the future of the country. He requested all the parents to take proper care of their children, nurture them properly, care and love them. I conclude my speech by wishing all the children a happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. First, I would wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year in India. It is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much. He compared children with buds of flower. Children fondly call him Chacha Nehru. Children's Day is also called Bal Divas. On this day, in various schools and colleges, the teachers perform various dance, dramas and other types of activities in which the children enjoy watching their teachers doing such things. Children's Day is a great day to take forward Nehru's dream in the education of children so that they can become favorable citizens of India. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Cecilia Lobo and Ms. Aisha Ahmed, for your thought-provoking speech. Being on the splendid Arab land, I have my work partner, Ms. Hafsa Idris, with a short speech in the traditional rich Arabic language for my Arabic speakers.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الأطفال هم زينة الحياة، وفي ذلك قال تعالى: بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. المال والبنون زينة الحياة الدنيا. فالأطفال هم رمز الحياة ورمز البراءة ورمز العطاء. يوم الطفل هو الحدث الذي يحتفل به في أيام مختلفة في جميع أنحاء العالم، وهذا اليوم احتفل به في 1 يونيو في عام 1950 ميلادية، وأيضا يوم الطفل العالمي والذي يصادف يوم 14 من نوفمبر من كل عام حسب توصية الأمم المتحدة. فقد أوصت بأن تقوم جميع البلدان يوما عالميا للطفل، وفي أغلب دول العالم يصادف هذا اليوم في هذا الزمن. فالأطفال هم أعظم سعادة وأثمن كنز، لذلك جاءت فكرة اليوم للاحتفال بأطفالنا، فهنيئا لكم ويوم الطفل سعيد عليكم.
Thank you, Ms. Hafsa Idris. When emotions have found thoughts and thoughts have found words, poetry is created, says Robert Frost. We now have Ms. Sarita Trivedi to recite to us a beautiful poem in Hindi.
प्यारे बच्चों, आप सभी को बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज मैं आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है मेरी इच्छा। ये कविता मैंने बाल मनोभावना को ध्यान में रखते हुए लेखनी बंद किया है, जो केवल आप जैसे प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों के लिए ही है। चलिए तो मैं ये कविता शुरू करूं। मन करता है मैं भी बच्चों के संग बच्ची बन जाऊं, उनकी मीठी मीठी बातों में यूं खो जाऊं, उनकी जिज्ञासा को काश मैं पूरा कर पाऊं, बाल मन की इच्छा को समय का जामा पहनाऊं, उनका बचपन किताबों के बोझ तले ना दबाऊं, पढ़ते पढ़ाते कभी अंतरिक्ष की सैर कराऊं, कभी जंगल में मंगल के किस्से सुनाऊं, परियों की दुनिया में ले जाऊं, बाल मन की बगिया में सुंदर फूल खिलाऊं, परीक्षा पढ़ाई से दूर वीरों की गाथा सुनाऊं, राष्ट्रभाषा के प्रति उनका अनुराग बढ़ाऊं, देश के प्रति तत्परता की भावना उनमें जगाऊं, अपने अतीत की झांकी नन्हे बच्चों में ढूंढ पाऊं, पर पाठ्यक्रम पूरा करने का रहता हम पर दबाव सदा, अपनी सीमा का रहता ख्याल बड़ा, गुरु की गुरुता पड़ती है हमें निभानी, हमारी यह व्यवस्था हमने ही है जानी, नन्हे बच्चों ने जब कभी न पढ़ाने का अनुरोध किया, मैंने उनकी इच्छाओं का खट्टा मीठा प्रतिरोध किया, शिक्षक की होती अपनी परिसीमा है, यही गुरु शिष्य रिश्ते की मधुरिमा है, यही गुरु शिष्य रिश्ते की मधुरिमा है। धन्यवाद। अंत में एक बार फिर से आप सभी को बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Thank you, Miss Sarita, for the poem. Positive thoughts for positive energy. I now request Miss Samia Atta to fill in the positivity with the thought for the day.
Good morning. The thought for the day is, children are like birds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. Only through right education can a better order of society be built up. Thank you and wishing you all a very happy Children's Day.
Thank you, Miss Samia. I, on behalf of our principal, Mr. Miraj Khan, our headmistress, Miss Aisha Anjum, and the DPS family, wish you all a happy Children's Day. Thank you.
My dear colleagues, thank you very much for putting up such an amazing assembly. Everyone's part is commendable. My dear children, Children's Day is a day that celebrates the innocence, love and purity that you all bring to this world. It is you within whom lies all the freshness and magic. With big dreams packed in your twinkling eyes, boundless love in your unbiased hearts, and the strength to make impossible happen in your little hands, you have the potential to transform tomorrow. To succeed in life, you have to do 4 things. Have great aim, have to continuously acquire knowledge, do hard work, you have to persevere and succeed. Late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam served as the President of India, was an author of many books, was an aerospace engineer and a professor. He shaped his dream when he was a 10-year-old boy. He was so influenced by his grade 5 science teacher that gave him the vision of life. How do you think he became such a great personality? It's only because of his hard work and dedication. Every one of you is a different kind of a flower, and all together make this world a beautiful garden. Just believe in your own scent and blossom in your own domain. I would also like to congratulate all the parents and teachers on this day for planting the seeds of compassion, humility, and leadership in the hearts of these children and mold them into the envoys of change. Wishing everyone a very happy Children's Day. Thank you.